Ating training ground mga ka-59, mga ka-bodyguard, kung saan po ngayon po yung ating embossing debossing para sa ating class di masupil. Ang embossing debossing po, yan po yung pagbaba at pagsakay ng sasakyan ng VIP. At itinuturo po ng ating mga instructor dyan kung paano i-assist ng mga PA or bodyguard ang ating VIP sa pagbaba at pagsakay ng sasakyan. And then meron din po tayong ginagawa dyang attack recognition na tinatawag, kung saan magsasample po ang ating instructor and saka ipapagawa po ito sa ating mga PA. And then mamaya-maya nga lang po ay ipapagawa sa kanila ang counter ambush drill naman po. Ang counter ambush drill naman po ay ginagamitan po natin ng J-turn yan. So ipapaliwanag din po ng ating instructor yan mamaya. Okay? So dyan lang po tayo at antabayanan ang ating class di masupil.
You can't handle it, 'cause it's getting hot up in here. Somebody call the fire department. It's hot up in here. Somebody dial 911. It's getting hot up in here. Somebody call the fire department. It's hot up in here. Somebody dial 911. 'Cause we're gonna burn it down. Move it like you mean it. Burn it down. It's like she's moving in slow motion. That hot is smoking up the room. I've never felt heat like this before. That girl is grooving. That sweet emotion. Everybody here stop, drop, and roll. Burn it down. If you're gonna pour gasoline on this fire, burn it down. Then get ready. Get ready. Burn it down.